Hi, it's Ronnie Jr. at YRM. So on a daily basis, we get a lot of emails and telephone calls for technical advice. Sometimes people send pictures of what they're trying to repair, or just questions, or a lot of people speak on the phone. So what I've done this week is I've picked an email out, and we're going to talk through his question and what the answer is. So one question from this customer this week is, I've just fitted new discs and pads on my Defender 90 TD5 and wished I'd changed the brake shields for the galv ones. Can these be fitted without removing the rear hub again? The answer is yes. What we're going to do now, we're going to show you how it can be done. So I've been and raided the shelves. I've gone and got a optic galvanized rear mud shield, which is product reference 408, which is the left hand side. And also I've got a rear mud shield holder, which is product reference 320, which is applying 316 grade stainless steel. So we've taken the rear wheel off to give you better access, one for getting the old one out and for fitting the new one back in place. So we've taken the rear mud shield out of the packaging and want to fit it. So obviously this goes to the bottom because that's lines up with your rear shock mount. I'm just going to offer this in over your axle casing. So it lines up on the back of your brake mud shield bracket, and then what you do is you're going to put an M6 bolt in here, an M6 bolt in the top up here, and then one in here through your rear shock mount on where it's got the weld nut on the back of the mud shield. So if you look there on the back of the mud shield, it's got a weld nut there. It's already tapped, so it's just ready to bolt in place. So thanks for watching again today. One last thing, we've got a giveaway this week on the 14th of February. So with every order on the 14th, we're going to give away one of these hats. It's got nice black and yellow bobble on the top. So it's a love it YRM hat for Valentine's Day.